In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw your money from your Vantage account to your Binance account. First of all, you need to log into your Vantage account. Then from the main page, you need to go to the withdrawal. In the account, you need to choose your account type. For example, I have got only one standard account. And then you need to enter the amount of money you want to withdraw. For example, 100 USD. After that, you need to click continue, but in my case, I don't have enough balance to continue, and I will show you this example on deposits. It's the same, guys. It will look like this. For example, you want to withdraw $100. When you click the continue button, you will see this kind of menu. You need to choose the payment method. There will be e-wallet, and from here you need to find Binance Pay. When you click on Binance Pay, you can link your Binance account to Vantage and you can withdraw your money to Binance instantly. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.